Very good afternoon to all of you over there. You are connected to the second term revision webinar. We are having a webinar series. Before starting the lessons, I shall give a small introduction about what is this and what happens during the webinar. Most of you all know as you're part of the WhatsApp group, but let me give a small introduction as the moderator. That's my duty for the day. අද මගේ responsibility එක තමයි මොනවාද කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා කියන එක. All right, so we are from TLA Studies Online Academy. We are a complete online platform which delivers all the English medium subjects to students. So this term we thought of doing sort of a public work. අපි හැමදාම අපේ දරුවෝ විතරනේ උගන්වන්නේ. So we thought of doing a public work that is to like extend our revision program to the general public. That means we thought of opening that to all the students to join and get the understanding about how the exam should be approached. The output of that is this. So focusing the upcoming second term test, we have arranged a webinar to cover all the English medium subjects. What happens within the webinar is Pute, we are discussing the second term content. Second term එක පුතාලා now almost for 2 months. ගොඩක් දේවල් ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙනවා. So those things we are going to revise at this point with a paper base, right? So the exam paper, a model paper, model plus past question, a mixture is there in the paper which is shared to you. Paper is there in the WhatsApp group. For the ones who could not get it, I have shared in this meeting chat also. But I can see there are many who have joined after that. In case if they cannot see, I'm sharing once again. Ekama paper එක පුතේ share වෙන්නේ. කීප සැරයක් පුතාලට ඇවිත් තියෙනවා නම් that's the same paper. Meeting chat එක හැමෝටම පේන්න දාලා තියෙන ඒත් කාට හරි නොපෙනුනොත් කියලා තමයි. ආයි දැන්. Right. So within the session we'll be answering the questions while recalling all the theory parts. Understood, Pate? So sir has joined. Sir is just after completing the previous session, which was really successful. Grade 7 අයියලා අක්කලා ටික සෑහෙන active වුණා පුතේ. They were so good. They have answered. They have discussed questions. It was so active. අපි ඊට වඩා හොඳ session එක ඊටත් වඩා හොඳ session එකක් පුතාලගෙන් expect කරනවා නේද sir? Okay. So without taking much time, we shall go to introduce your teacher for the day. The facilitator for the day is connected now. He is Mr. Tarun Navidya. He is a graduate into networking and mobile computing from Horizon Campus and having experience for years. Like he has started teaching from 2019 itself and having very good set of students plus having good experience. So he's here for us today. He's so friendly. Bye when he's so friendly. And Pute, although this is a webinar, you can see we have not restricted any microphones. You can speak up. Can speak. The chat box is there. You can put answers in the chat box. Hand raise, react options are open. All options are there for you to collaborate within the session. So make sure that you use everything and get this to a very productive session. That benefit is to you. පුතාලා හොඳට කතා බහ කරලා ප්‍රශ්න අහලා එහෙම කළොත් ඒකේ benefit එක කාටද? පුතාලටම තමයි. ඒ නිසා ඒ විදිහට මේක කරගෙන යන්න. And one more request from all of you, as this is a webinar, right? We are on an online platform. So I really appreciate and I really expect a good discipline to be maintained. within the platform. Then only this session would be very productive. All right. So without, yeah, I'm to the dot now. So without taking much time, we'll hand over the session to Sir Tarun. Sir, are you there? Yes.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can
Okay.
hear you and see you as well.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay. So, sir, we have almost 30, 29, 30 over here. So I hope this will also be a very nice session. I'll be here for any technical support. Thank you very much. Over to you, sir. Putala, get the full output of this. Sir, before handing over, just one question regarding the language. Shall we go in a mixed language? I mean, anyone who needs Sinhala explanations? Hari, අපි මම එක hand over කරන්නම් sir. You can discuss with sir how the language preference is. Okay, thank you very much. See you at the end of the session. Good luck.
Okay.
Do your best.
Good afternoon, guys. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hi, Komoda.
Good
How are you?
afternoon.
නයිද? නැවත කාලා දින්නේ නැහැ කට්ටිය. Hello. කාලා නැත්තම්. Right. මාත් කාලා නැහැ. Right. කොහමද? ඉතින්. So who are the people? There are around 30 students, ne? So you are in grade 6, ne? Okay, let's move on to the paper, ne? The paper එකට බලමු. So what would you like to do in මේක සිංහලෙන් නැත්නම් ඒ කියන්නේ මික්ස් යන්නද කොහමද? ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින්ම කරන්නද? සිංහලෙනුත් කරලා ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින්ුත් කරන්නද කොහමද? ඔයාලා කියන්න ඕනද?
විතරක් කරන්න.
Only in English. Okay. Right. Then I'll do it like this, right? I'll do the let's take a question, right? I'll explain the question in all the question in English and the Sinhala as well, right? I'll continue both English and Sinhala so that you can understand the preferred language, right? Okay. Is it okay? Kauda Aludgama. What's the first name? Hi.
Yes.
Naditi. Okay, right? Okay. Right. Let's move on to the paper. You are grade 6. Can you see the screen? What is screen name?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. So let's move on to the first question. I'll put the question on this screen, then try to complete the question within the time when I am given, right? You can send the answers to the chat box, right? Chat box use කරන්න ඕනේ. I'll put a message to see to you all, right? Likewise, you can send the answers to me, right? So I'll give you 1 minute to complete this, right? Quickly. Quickly complete it. Who can read the question? Hard key one. Naditi, can you read the question?
Yes, sir.
Right, good. Read the question quickly.
The points B and C are inside
The circle.
the given circle. A, the point space is on the circle. B, the point space is outside the circle.
Right, good. So what are the answers? I got one answer. Good. Kauda Aman. Aman is good, right? That Aman Azil, right? Am I correct, Aman?
Yes, sir.
The pronunciation, all right, good. Aman Azil is telling that the answer for the first one is A and second one is B. Correct, ne? Right, correct. Okay. Then the second question, I'll put it in the screen. දක්ෂ ළමයි ටිකක් ඉන්නේ නේ හොඳයි. Very talented guys. ඉන්නේ හොඳයි. Okay, do this one quickly. Do it. Write the number in words. This number in words 353454203035, right? Likewise, you have to write down the number in word, right? You know the periods, right? Did you guys know about the periods of the numbers? What is this period? What is this period?
100.
Unit.
Unit. Unit space.
Right, unit period. This is unit period. This one?
1000.
Good. 1000. This one?
Million.
Million. Now write down the answer quickly. මගේ අකුරු කැතයි ගණන් ගන්න. ඔයාලා ලස්සන ලියන්න මගේ අකුරු කැතයි.
Sir,
Right. Yes.
I put the answer on the chat.
Okay. Aman Azil, okay. 30. 3 million. Samirika Masinghe, right? Masinghe is Samirika. Ne? Right. Anyway, I'll write down the answer. Your answer is correct, right? Summary. But Aman Azil, your answer is a little bit confused. Right? Anyway. Oh, Ken. Hello.
My name is not Samirika. That's my mother's name. My name is Venuli.
Menuli, sorry. Menuli, right? So I'll write down the answer in here. You have to read the name. But what is this number? This is 3, no? This is 3. Then 3 and what is it? Period. Its period is million. Then you have to write down the period's name. 3 million. What is this number then? This number is
420,000.
Then you have to write down the 420. 420. Then what is it period? 1000. 1000. And next one is 35. That's it. අපි මෙතන unit කියලා ලියනවද? Are we writing units in here? No, never. අපි මෙතන units කියලා ලියන්නේ නැහැ, right? අපි මෙතන මේ units කියවන්නේ නැහැ, right? මේ නම් එක චුට්ටක් පැටලෙයි හරි. නම් ටිකක් කියවන්න චුට්ටක් අමාරුයි. Both Sinhala, Tamil, and Muslim, all the students are in here now. So, sorry, I got Tarhane. Right. Okay. Third one. Try to do this one.
Finish.
ඔන්න හොඳ mathematicians ලාට මේක පුළුවන් නම් ඔන්න nice. There are any mathematicians in here, then try to do this one, right? Like Pythagoras and Einstein's ලා වගේ ඉන්නවනේ බලන්න. try එකක් දෙන්න. Albert Einstein ඉන්නවද? Right? Quickly. In here, subtract this one. You have to subtract this one from this one. First of all, you have to solve this one. Solve this one quickly. So, what is the order of solving these kind of questions? මොකක්ද order එක? මෙයාගේ questions හදන්න. Do you guys know about this one? අහලා තියෙනවද මේක? Code mass කියලා අහලා තියෙනවද? This is known as BODMAS. B means what? B stands for brackets. Brackets means like this. O stands for O. Right? As you are in grade 6, all the men may they connect. Right? You don't have these two. But you will get these things. D means division. M is what? M means what?
Multiplication.
Good. A means what?
Addition.
Addition.
Nicely done.
Subtraction.
S.
Subtraction.
Subtraction.
Subtract. මේක ප්‍රොනවුන්ස් කරන ළමයි subtraction කියලා එහෙම නෑ. අනම්මන වචනක් තියෙනවා.
Subtraction.
This is subtraction, addition and multiplication, right? Right. So the order of solving the question like this is the order. මේ තියෙන order. Right? මේ order එකෙන් එහෙම යන්න බෑ. තේරුණාද? So I'll solve the first one for you guys, right? මම පළවෙනි එක ඔයාලට හදලා දෙන්නම්. Try to do the second one. 10 into 7 divided by 1 into 8, right? So, what is the first thing we have to do according to this method? What is the first one? මොකද්ද මුලින්ම කරන්න ඕනේ? In here, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So what is the first one? නැති නෝඩ් එක. Division. Division means it's in here. So you have to divide 7 by 1. 7 divided by 1 means kiyada? 7 ම තමයි. 7 divided by 1 කියන්නේ kiyada? 7. 7 times 7 is 0. 1 times 7 is 0. Right? Then you have to write down these points. The other things. Now there are two multiplications. So which one are you going to do? This one or this one? That doesn't matter, right? ඒක ගැටලුවක් නෑ. ඔයාලා කැමති එකක් කරන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි order එක තියෙන්න ඕන. The order should be like this. මේ order එකට තියෙන්න ඕන. So I'll do the first one, this one. Then it is 70. 70 times 80 means what? 70 times 80 කියන්නේ කීයද?
560.
Sorry?
560.
560. Good. So I have found the answer for the first one. You guys find the answer for this one quickly. මේක ඉක්මනට මට හොයලා කියන්න බලන්න. chat box එකේ දාන්න ඕනේ. Put it into the chat box quickly, yeah? Try to solve this one. So what is the first thing you have to do? Division. So you can divide yes, you can divide this, or you can first you try to multiply this one, right? Then you can divide easily. Then multiply this one. 1000 appa. Let's see. Try to multiply this one first, huh? In here. In here, you will get 9 times 1, 2, 3. 9 times 1000 means what? Here, 9 times 1000 here. What is the answer for 9 times 1000? 9?
9,000.
9,000. Then divide it by
9,000.
8 times 800. Ne? 8 times 100 means 800. Divided by again 50. Divided by again 3. Now first divide
50.
this one. This one මුලින්ම divide කරන්න බලන්න. Divide this one quickly.
16.
Sorry. Muhammad Marzouk. Is it correct?
Yes.
Right. What's your answer?
16.
16. Good. Then you have to divide 9,000 by 16. No. 3 by 16 divided. So, අපි මේක divide කරලා බලමු. 9,000 divided by 60. Are there any mistakes in this equation? I think there's a mistake. Ne? There's a mistakes in this equation, right? I got it. Okay. So keep this equation, guys. Make equation එක තියන්න චුට්ටක්. I'll refer it and let you know, right? Make equation එක චුට්ටක් තියන්න. There's a mistake in here, right? Okay. So let's move on to the fourth question, right? I'll explain it. Sorry, I'll refer that question later. So try to find this one quickly. Do you know number lines? Number lines then?
Yes, sir.
Right. First of all, write down the number line quickly. Aman, your answer is totally correct. Aman, good?
Yes, sir.
What about others? What is the center of the number line? Number line is center එක මොකක්ද?
0.
In here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this side, -1, -2,
-2, -3.
-3, -4 likewise. There are numbers. So what are the integers that lie between -3 and +2? මෙන්න මේ දෙන්න අතර ඉන්න numbers ටික ලියන්න ඕන. So what are the numbers in here? -2 is in here. නේ? මෙයා ඉන්නවා. මෙයා ඉන්නවා මේ. -2 and -1, again 0 and 1. Got it? If you have any questions, please send it to the chat box. Oh, chat එකේ දාන්න answers. ඇහෙනව නේ මාව? Right. අරස් කවුද? මට ළමයා කොහොමද? What's your name? Samirika.
Venuli.
සෙනුලි කියලා මේ කොහෙර ලියාගෙන තියාගන්න ඕන මට නැත්නම් හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඒක.
Sir, not Venuli. Venuli.
වෙනුලි අපේ හරිනේ?
හරි.
right. Hide -2 correct, right? So let's move on to the next question. What is the smallest prime number? Prime numbers කියන්නේ මොනවද? What are prime numbers? So you have to identify what are prime numbers first. Correct. Aman, your answer is correct. Good. Aman, හොඳයි නේ Aman. වැඩ කරනවා. Right. What is the smallest prime number? First of all, write down this point. Prime numbers. Right? This is like a subtopic. Subtopic එකක් අය ලියා ගන්න. Prime numbers. කාටද explain කරන්න පුළුවන් what are prime numbers? If I ask you a question like what are prime numbers? So
Sir, answer is 2.
yes, answer is 2 correct. Hide. Ne? Is it hide?
Yes, sir.
What?
Sir, answer is 2.
Answer is 2, right? Good. So prime numbers means the numbers that have only what? Only 2 මොනවාද? Factors. Factors දෙකයි. Only 2 factors, right? Muhammad Zaruk. Yeah. Marzouk. Muhammad Marzouk, ne? I think I'm correct, right? The numbers that have only 2 factors, right? So, for example, are known as, write down this point. Prime numbers. Right? Write down this point quickly. So, I'll give you some examples. So, what are the factors of, let's take අපි 2 ඉඳන් ගමුනේ. What are the factors of 2? Factors means the numbers can divide or divisible. So 2 can be divided by 1 and 2 ned. Yes. 3 divided by 3 can be divided by 1 and
5 greater than 3.
yes. 4 can be divided by good.
7 less
1.
than 3.
Sorry. 5.
7 less than 3.
7 less for which one? We are explaining the answer for the fourth one. For fifth questions, height still in the fifth question, right? Right. So what are the factors of 4 means 4, 2 and 4, right? Let's write down the factors for 5. පහ divide වෙන්නේ කීයද කියන්න බා? 1
5.
5. 6 divided වෙනවා. 6 can be divided by 1,
3.
2, 3 and 6. Good. Then 7. 7 can be divided by 1,
7.
7. That's it. 8.
1.
1,
1, 2,
2,
4,
4,
4, 8.
8. Factors ඒ කියන්නේ මේකේ ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. 9.
1,
1,
3,
3,
6,
9. Right.
9.
So
1, 3, 9.
that's it, right? I have already find out the factors for the numbers 1 to 9. 1 ඉඳන් 9 වෙනකන් ඔන්න factors ටික හෙව්වා. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers means that have only 2 factors. Factors kiyada? දෙකයි. Is it a prime number?
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ. Yes. This one එනවද?
No.
No, this one is not getting. So this one?
Yes.
Yes. This one? No.
No.
This one is getting yes.
Yes.
What about 9?
No.
No, never. So 10 වලට ඔයාලා factors ලියන්න 10 කොහොමත් එන්නේ නැහැ නේ.
No.
1 2 5 10 ගොඩක් තියෙනවා ඒකනේ. So what about 11? 1 and 11 only. නේ?
Yes.
So this is a prime number. So you have to identify the smallest prime number. What about 1? මේ 1 කියන එක? Is 1 a prime number? Keep it
No.
in mind. You have to keep it in mind. 1 is not a prime or a composite number. Write down this point also. Right. So according to this one, what is the smallest prime number? Number 2, right? The answer should be 2. The answer should be 2, huh? Right. Can you see the screen? Screen එක පේනවද?
Yes.
Right. Okay. Right. Let's move on to the next question. You have to write down 2 values when comparing this one. Right? Compare the given integer using the suitable inequality symbol. Right? This inequality. Let's take this one. What is the name of it? Make a name.
Crocodile.
What is the name? This is less than.
Inequality. Stand.
This is less than sign. Less than sign. This one? What is this one?
More than. More than.
more than තව ටිකක්
Greater
චුට්ට
than.
ලස්සනට ඒක ඒ පොඩ ලස්සනට කිව්වොත් කොහොමද
Greater
greater
than.
than
More
අන්න
than
හරි
sign.
greater than right
Greater than.
greater than right ඒක more than කිව්වම අර නිකන්
Bigger
ටිකක්
than.
කැතයි වගේනේ ඒතකොට ලස්සනට පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න පුළුවන් නේ greater than කියලා ඒතකොට balance නේ right එතකොට the pointed head මෙන්න මේ pointed head එකට එන්නේ මේ පැත්තෙන් එන්න ඕන small number එකක් right in this side the open mouth area එකට එන්න ඕන මේ area එකට මොකක්ද එන්න ඕන large number එකක් so what is the number should be in this side what is the number should be in this side මේ පැත්තේ තියෙන number එක මොකක්ද large number
Large
good
number.
yes of course large number එකක් මේ side in this side
small,
small number right
Small
write
number.
down two examples මට examples දෙකක් ලියන්න ඉක්මනට බලන්න
5 greater than 2, 10 less than 7.
10 less than 7 is it correct the second one first one is correct
No, sir. 10 greater than 7.
10 greater than 7 good next one less than sign එකෙන් මට කියන්න බලන්න
2 less than 3.
2 less
2 less than
than
3.
3 correct
5 less than 10.
5 less than 10 done good ලියා ගන්න මේක write down these two answers okay Muhammad right Muhammad Marzu right right done shall I move on to the next question now ඊළඟ question එකට යන්නද okay rounding off I think you guys can remember these things rounding off right Aman okay nice Aman doing good හොඳයි නේ Saif also Saif what's your answer 2 is for what okay Aman is correct good rounding off when we are rounding off to the nearest multiple of 10 multiple of 10 means what multiple of 10 means 10 වල multiples නේ කියන්නේ 10 in 10 20 30 40 50 60 likewise නේ නේ then you have to round off these numbers for example sorry
220 and
220 and yes correct good හොඳයි that's correct right 222 in between which numbers it is in between 220 and
560.
yes the answer for the next one is correct right 230 right may 222 is in between these two numbers ne? I'm explaining the first one Haid right so right which one is closer to 222 this is දෙකට ළඟ මෙයාද මෙයා නේ ළඟ මෙයාට දෙන්නයි ඉන්නේ මෙයාට කීයක්
120.
මෙයාට 7ක් ඉන්නවා ඉස්සරහ මෙයාට 2යි so the answer should be 220 likewise the second one
160.
again you have to do the same thing 555 නේ it is in the middle නේද ඒක මැද්දේ ඉන්න හරියට ඒ වුණාට අපි ගන්නෙ කොහෙද we are taking the in front of value in front value. මෙන්න මේ ආගේ ඉස්සරහා ඉන්න value එක. මෙන්න මේ value එක තමයි ගන්න. Both side the difference is 5. මේ දෙපැත්තෙම difference එක කීයද? 5. But when we round off, if 555 at the middle, so we have to take 560. Got it? Good answers ගොඩක් කියලා. Binudi, Venuli correct. Marzu correct. Okay. Venuli okay. Right. Naditi. Right. Naditi මට මතකයි දැන්. Right. Next one. Let's do some hard questions, right? පොඩ අමාරු ටිකක් කරමු. So come to the question number 9. Question number 9. Write down the answer quickly. I'll give you one minute. 1 minute දෙන්නම්. Quickly බලන්න answer එක ලියන්න. Wrote it. ලියවද? So, Venuli, can you read the question? කියවන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Okay, sir. Write the
read it.
shaded region as a fraction and write the fraction in its simple form.
Simplest form. Good. Right. හොඳයි. Nice voice. Right. Write the shaded region as a fraction. Shaded region means this part. Then shade කරලා තියෙන.
Can I
How
tell
many
the
squares? Sorry, Venuli?
Can I tell the answer?
Yes, you can. Go ahead. Quickly. You can tell the answer.
306.
Sorry?
Tell the answer. 12 into 6.
306.
From 12, shaded 6.
6 over
3.
12.
12.
Neither. 12. Good. Now the what is
306.
the simplest form of it? Make a simplest form.
306.
එක මොකද්ද?
306.
You have to divide. You can divide these both numbers by 3. Neither. Then 6 divided by 3 means 2. Again 6.
3 over 2.
Again you can divide this by 2. Right? You have to divide until the simplest form came. 1 and 3. So what is the answer? 1 or 3, eh? Got it?
Okay.
Yes.
කාටද දාවේ? Answers. එවිල තියෙනවා කට්ටියනේ. Good.
Yes, sir.
Aman, Azli or Azli? Huh?
Azli.
Azli, yeah, right. Good. Let's do a abacus question. Come to the question number 11. I'm doing the difficult question in the paper. So otherwise the time might be not enough to complete the whole paper. So right. Write the value represented by the given abacus. Abacus එකේ තියෙන value එක ඔයාලා ලියලා පෙන්නන්න. That's it. Venuli. Venuli මොකද? Sorry.
I finished class.
I don't get it. What's the question? What's the answer again? Tell me the answer again, please.
Finish what time?
Can you put it into the chat box, Haid?
Okay, sir.
Right. I can see Mahavat on the screen right now. Right. Mahavat, what's your name?
Saviru.
Ravi. Mahavat means your father's name, right? I think. Right. The answer should be this one. Third, yes. Naditi correct. Venuli correct. Good. Venuli, correct. Okay. Muhammad Matruk. Okay, correct. So you have to identify this one, right? Or identify කරගන්න ඕන මෙතනින්. The decimal point is in this place. මෙන්න මෙතනයි decimal point place එකේ තියෙන්නේ. මොකද you all know the ones place is the first place in the normal abacus. This is a decimal place abacus. So the right hand side of decimal place abacus is started from this place. Right? මෙතනින් තමයි පටන් ගන්නෙ decimal place abacus එක decimal side. So this is in the ones place there's no zeros. Yes, good. You can then there are 3 zeros in the 10th place, right? I think you can see, right? Then there are no zeros in 1 or 10th place, and the next place you can see 2 zeros. So you can write down it as what? What is the reading method of it? 30.02. 02, correct.
30.02.
Right, good. Right, I am giving you some extra question, right? කොහොමද මගේ abacus එක ලස්සනයිනේ. චුට්ටක් කැත ගණන් ගන්නවා. ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් මේ right. 10's place 1/10, 1/100. 1. Pramudit Denuan. Any questions? Mr. Denuan. Right. මගේ abacus එක හුලකට කියලා තියෙන ගණන් ගන්නපා. හරි. Right. So what is the answer for this one? Second abacus.
41.23.
2-3. Good. Class. The session will end at 4 p.m. හතරට ඉවර වෙනවා. හරිනේ?
40.
Right. 41 point. Yes, correct.
41.23.
41.23. පාටදී මේ කාටුන් බලන්න යන්නද කොහෙද? 41.23. On. Right. Good. Let's move on to another question. This one. 12th one. You have to find the largest fraction, right? First of all, I'll give you some steps to find these answers, right? Now then steps make hoyan. Step number 1. You have to convert. Write down these steps, convert the given fractions to a fraction with same denominators, right? You have to convert this fraction into a same denominator, right? Then identify the largest fraction from the numerator. So what is the numerator of 7 and 11? මොනවාද numerators denominators කියන්නේ? This one is what?
Numerator.
Yes,
Numerator.
this one
Denominator.
denominator. Nice, good. කට්ටිය පාඩම් කරලා දැවිලා ඉන්නේ. හොඳයිනේ. Denominator, right.
Also, this is easy, sir.
Easy appa. Nice. Good. Write down this note, huh? Right. So, convert this fraction into same denominator. So, let's take 7, 11. 7 over 16. So, what is the highest one? Highest denominator, sorry.
7 over
What is the largest fraction in here?
7 over 11.
7 over 11. Okay. Yes, correct. This one. Right? So, you can imagine a circle cut to 11 parts. Likewise, maybe 11 parts වලට cut කරලා there are 7 pieces are colored. Right? Likewise, එහෙමත් ඔයාලට කැමති නම් හොයන්න පුළුවන්. Right? It is also possible, right? එකත් කරන්න පුළුවන්. So answer should be like this. This should be the answer. If you have any questions, please send a message to the chat box. Chat box එකට answers මේ තේරුම් නැති මොන හරි තිබ්බොත් කියන්න. හරි? Okay. Next one. මේකත් හොඳයි. Yes, Venly correct. Okay. So, before going to this question, what are the angles that you know? මොනවාද ඔයාලා දන්න angles?
Acute angle.
අප්පා මරු. First one is මොකක්ද? Acute angle. Next one. Acute angle වල චුට්ටක් ලොකු එක්කනද?
Right angle.
Right angle.
Right. Right angle. ඊට වඩා චුට්ටක් ලොකු එක්කන මේ
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle.
ඒව දන්න obtuse angle. Next one.
Reflex
කෙලින් මෙහෙම
angle.
තියෙනවා.
Reflex angle.
නෑ මෙහෙම තියෙනවා. මෙන්න.
Straight angle.
Straight line.
Straight angle. Straight angle. Reflex angle.
Next one අර මෙහෙම තියෙනවා.
Reflex
Alright.
angle.
Reflex angle.
Reflex angle. Good. So what are the angles represented in here? Angle A.
Obtuse angle and acute angle.
Up.
Obtuse angle and reflex angle. Obtuse angle and reflex angle.
Right, correct. You are correct. මට angles වර්ග ගොඩාක් ඇහුණා. ඒක මේ all together වගේ නිකන්. Right. This should be like this, huh? හොඳයි. B is a reflex angle and A is a
A
is
is
an
an
obtuse.
obtuse angle.
Yes, correct. I'll do the theory part of this question also. හරි මම මේකේ theory part එක කරන්න. So what is the sum of numbers up to 1 from 1 to 5? බලන්න. Good. Find out the answer. What is the sum of the numbers from 1 to 5? Sum means what? Sum කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? Sum කියන්නේ මොකක්ද සාමාන්‍යයෙන්?
Equal.
නෑ sum means addition, right? Equal කියන්නේ equal තමයි. ඒකට කියන්නේ නෑ. Sum means addition. Total. Sum means total, addition, both are correct. Total කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? Sum. නැත්නම් කියන addition. Those all terms are equal. Right? So you have to find out the sum. Means addition. Yes, of course. Angela, I think. Angela nේද? Angela is telling 15. Correct. What about others? Naditi, good. Amar Nazil, okay, correct. Others reply quickly. This is just addition na. මේ එකතු කරන්න යන්න අයියා ආයේ ශිෂ්‍යත් කරන්න යන්න. 15 correct. So the above number is the Kevin triangular number කවුද? Fifth triangular number.
15th.
Fifth one. පස්වෙනි එක. So likewise this is the first one. Right? Just one dot. This is the second one. How many dots?
3 dots.
3 dots. This is the third one. How many dots?
6 dots.
6 dots. This is the fourth one. Count the dots quickly.
12.
12.
12. The
9 dots.
9. Yes, 9.
10.
The 10th. Balan. 1, 2,
The
3,
10th,
4,
10th.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
10.
10.
In here 1 dot, 3 dot, 6 dots, 10 dots. In here
15.
15 dots. So this is the first triangular number. This is the second triangular number. Likewise, this is the which one? Fifth triangular number. Write down this quickly. Okay, Naditi, correct. Yasheni, correct. Good. That Katine. Quickly draw this one. Okay, right. If you have any questions, please ask. Session එක ඉවරන කයින් පා ප්‍රශ්නෙදි මහන්න. ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙනවනේ වෙලෙම අහන්න. Right? Otherwise, we don't get enough time to discuss questions, right? Write down 18 as a product of prime factors. Right. බලන්න ඉක්මනට ලියන්න. I will give you 2 minutes. It might be a little bit difficult නේ නේද? මේක චුට්ට අමාරු වෙතිනේ. So I'll give you 2 minutes. ඉක්මන් කරන්න. So first of all, you have to know what are prime numbers, right? Then you can write down the answer for 80 as a product of prime factors. Right? So you have to identify the prime numbers. Mulim prime numbers are okay. So find out the factors of 8. First of all, find out the factors of 8. 18. Factors of 18. Factors means 18 divided by numbers. That's all. The numbers that can be divided 80, right? Factors manada. 18 divided by 1 wali. Yes. 2. 2 wali divided now. Yes. 3. 3 wali not divided on 80. Yes. 3 wali divided on 3, 4. 4 wali 5. 5 වෙනවා 6 6 එන්නේ නැද්ද එනවා
No, sir.
sir 7 7 is it a factor
Yes.
factor එකක් නෙමෙයි 8 No, 9. Yes, factor. 10 is not a factor. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18. Right. So identify the product of prime factors. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් මෙතන ඔයාලා හොයන්න ඕන prime numbers මොනවද මේවා. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers කියන්නේ මොනවද? මම කිව්වා කලින්.
A number with two factors.
Two factors. Right. For example, එතකොට for example අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 likewise ඔය තමයි prime numbers. දැන් බලන්න මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙන you have to identify the prime numbers in this set. මේ set එකේ තියෙන prime numbers මොනවාද? 2 and 3 only. 2, 3, 5 නේ?
3.
මේ තුනම තියෙනවානේ. Right. So 18 can be write down as බලමු 18 divided වෙන්නේ කීයද කියලා. 18 අපි 2 වලින් මුලින්ම divide කරමු. When we divide 18 by 2, what is the answer? 9 නේද?
9.
9 can be divided by 3.
3.
3 then. 3 can be divided by 3 again. The answer is 1. So write down this as a multiplication. Make a multiplication එකක් දෙන්න ලියන්න විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. 18 is equals to 2 times 3 times 3. That's it. Product of prime factors. Product means the meaning of product කියන්නේ product කියන්නේ අප්පට පිළිමේ මොකද්ද මේ? කවුද මේ චිත්‍ර? කවුද මේ චිත්‍ර දින්නේ? Right? ඕවින් බලන්න. Right. ඒක මම කොහොනේ. කවන්න. Right. Product means multiplication. ඒක ලියා ගන්න. Write down the word product කියන්නේ product means product කියන එකේ meaning එක equal වෙනවා multiplication කියන එක. Right. Write down this quickly. Right. I can see Venuli. Venuli is a head එක නම් මට පේනවා. Right. Name the parts of the key. Right. Quickly do it. Write down this quickly. So let's move on to the 16th question. 10 වෙනි question එක බලන්න. Right. ඔය අප්පට තිරිමේ මොකද මේ? අයියෝ. මේක කොහොමද මෙයා කරන්නේ? Right. So බලන්න ආන්සර් එක ලියන්න බලන්න මේකට පුළුවන්. Who can read the question quickly? Aman? Can you read the question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Quickly read the question. බලන්න.
Name the parts of the solid object indicated by arrows.
Indicated by arrows, right? So what is the first one? මෙන්න මේ මොකක්ද මේවට කියන්නේ අපි? මේ පැත්තකට කියන්නේ. Those are known as faces නේද? එක side එක. Yes. ඒවට කියන අපි faces කියලා. Write down. Faces. Then this is also මොකක්ද මේකත්? මේ arrow එකත්. It's also what?
Face.
Face. කාගේ හරි ඇටෝනේෂන් එක ඔන් වෙලා තියෙනවා. කාගේ කියලා මට හොයන්න බෑනේ. පොඩ ඉන්න බලන්න. Right. All right. Then this is also fair. Then what is this one? මේ අපි ධාර කියලා කියන්නේ අර එක පැත්තකට තියෙන මේ. පේනවද?
Vertex.
vertex නෙමෙයි. ළඟින් කියන. edges. අන්න හරි. edges. Good. ළඟින් ගියා ඉස්සෙල්ලා. So this is what? මේ තියෙන මොකක්ද? අන්න ඒක හරි. vertex නැත්තම් vertices. මේකත් මොකක්ද? මේ මෙතනට තියෙන arrow එක දීලා.
Vertex.
Yeah, vertex තමයි. Name it quickly. Yeah, vertex තමයි. Next question is also easy. Right? Select the factors of 12. Factors means what? I'll write down the point. What are factors? Factors කියන්නේ මොනවද කියලා මම නිකන් කියන්න. You all know that, right? Factors means the numbers that can be divided. එච්චරයි. Divide කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? බෙදන්න පුළුවන් numbers. 12 can be divided by what?
6.
3 වලින් පුළුවන් නේ? Yes, correct. 10 okay. The 10 වලින් divide වෙනවද?
No.
No. 8?
No.
No. 2?
No. Yes.
2 වලින් පුළුවන් අපි. පුළුවන්. 6 වලින්?
Yes.
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 9 we can't divide it. Yes. Then 12?
Yes.
Yes, of course. So these are the answers. 3, 2, 6, 12. Write down this point also. This question is very important. ඔයාලට first term test එකෙත් මේක එන්නේ නැති උන්න බාන්න පුරුදු කියලා. හරි. This question. Write the date in standard form. Standard form එකට කොහොමද ලියන්නේ date එකක්. කාටද පුළුවන් ලියන්න? බලන්න මට chat box එකේ send me the answer for in the chat box. මේක තමයි. පුළුවන්ද? බලන්න එවන්න answer ඉක්මනට. 7 means 0.
07.
Yes, 07. වෙනුලි 7 අපි නිකන් ලියන්නේ නැහැ. 7 ලියන්න අපි 07 විදියට. Right? Then 02.
02
Right.
2022.
02 dash
2022.
2022. ඒ කියන්නේ order එක තමයි. What is the order?
First the
මුලින්ම
date, then
day,
the
then
month, then the year.
then month, then the year.
Year.
Day should be in 2 digits. That's why I'm putting 2 Ds. Yes, tell.
18th question එක කරේ නැහැ.
18 බලන්න. Okay, sorry. Sorry. Thank you, කවුද? ලිහිනේ. From Candy? You are from Candy? Right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is the format. Write down this point. Format of standard date. Right. Write down this one. Let's go to the 18th question. එක චුට්ට අමාරුනේ මම දැන් දැක්කේ. Yes, Saif, correct. Good. Right. Who can read the question? කාටද පුළුවන් කියන්නේ?
Sir, can I read?
Venuli,
Sir,
read.
can I read?
Right. අපි first එක්කෙනා chance දෙමු නේ යා කිව්වනේ මුලේ. Right. Read the first question. Sorry, the 18th question.
Amara thought a number and he said that number is an even number, also a prime number. What the number be thought?
Thought. එයා හිතවලු number එකක්. අමාරයි කියන කෙනා කවුද දන්නේ නැහැ. එයා හිතලා තියෙන number එකක්. She thought a number that it is an even number. So what are even numbers? මොනවාද even කියන්නේ? ඔන්න ප්‍රශ්නේ.
A number which can be divided by 2 without any remainders.
අපට සිරි. ඒක දිගටම කියන්නේ. Nice. හොඳයි. අර කටපාඩම් කරලා හොඳයි. Right. The numbers that can be divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0. හරිම හොඳයි. So what are then odd numbers කියන්නේ මොනවාද?
A number which can be divided by 2 but has remainders.
That can't be divisible by 2 and the remainder is 1. Write down these 2 points, Sigmund. So you have to identify the even number which is also a prime number. අන්න හරි. දැන් prime numbers ටික මම මෙතනින් ලියන්න. යටි. 2 3 5 7 9 එන්නේ නැහනේ. 11 13 likewise. ඔය ඇති. So කාටද කියන්න පුළුවන් මෙතන තියෙන sorry Naditi, I can't hear you clearly. Naditi. That's enough. That's enough. හරි. බුදුන් ඉස්සරහට තියෙනවා කියලා. ඇති. හරි. So what is the prime number and the even number? Venuli correct. Good. Others go. අනිත් කට්ටිය. Quickly. Others go. Who is that? Saif? Amal ko. Aman ned. Senuli correct. Sanuli Sanuli ne Sanuli.
Yes, sir.
Mazur, what is the answer? For this one.
Sir, 2.
2, yes, 2. That's correct. 2. Nice. So the answer is 2 for this question. Right, Harine? Gihansa. Naditi, correct. Good. Let's move on to the another question. How many times a circle? Right. I'll do some theory part in circles. Write down the topic circles. Right? Circles කියලා cute topic එකක් ලියා ගන්න. Right? Now draw a circle quickly. Yes, Tasuni is here, Hiansha. Tasuni, eh? Is it Tasuni, right?
Sir, should we do it in the paper?
Paper, yes. Do it in the paper. Right? Now draw a line segment that is passing through the center. Again, hari මැද්දෙන් line එකක් ඔයාලා draw කරගන්න ඕනේ. Right? And another line from the center to the corner of the circle. මෙන්න මේ corner එකටත් අඳින්න ඕන line එකක් ඔයාලා. හරි? So I'm going to name the circle, right? So මෙන්න මේ point එකට මොකක්ද කියන්නේ කාටද කියන්නේ? What is the middle of a circle? Exact middle. It is
Center.
known as center. Good. Center use.
Center.
Center. And this one මේ අපි අඳින line එකට මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? ඔකට අපි නමක් දෙනවා ඒක ස්පෙෂල් නේම් එකක්. මොකක්ද ඒක? It is known as what? කාට කියන්න පුළුවන් ඒකට? This is known as circumference. Write it down. Circumference. Right? Write down quickly. Million. Then this one. Center to the circumference. මේ line එක මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? කාට කියන්න පුළුවන්?
Remainder.
Right again. I can but this is known as radius නේ මතක නැද්ද?
Sir, radius.
Radius, yes, correct. මේ මෙතන ඉඳන් මේ කෝණයක ඉඳන් මේ කෝණයකටම draw කරන line එක මොකද්ද? මෙයාට කියන්නේ. This is known as diameter. These kind of questions may be asked for the exam, right? මේවා questions අහන්නත් පුළුවන් exam එකට. So you have to keep it in mind. මේවා ඔළුවේ තියාගන්න ඕනේ චුට්ටක්. හරි. මේ 8th question එකත් nice නේ. මේක බලන්න කරන්න. Right. Who can read this 8th question? කාට කියන්න පුළුවන්? 8th question. Venuli?
Sir, I can. Okay.
Lihini. Okay, right. Lihini.
A karate athlete stretches her legs and moves down towards the ground gradually. Name the largest angle that can be formed in between her legs.
අර දැකලා තියෙනවද? කරාටි කරන කට්ටිය මෙහෙම කකුල් දෙක තියන ඉඳලා මෙහෙම කරලා ඈත් කරලා මෙහෙම කරලා දැකලා තියෙනවද? අර අපිට කෑ ගහන්නේ මේව කවුද දෙල මෙහෙම කරලා පාත් කරන්න හොගල දැකලා තියෙනවද? ස්ට්‍රෙච් කරනවා කියන්නේ ස්ට්‍රෙච් කරනවා කියන්නේ මෙහෙම කරලා ඇද්දිලා තියෙනවා. දැකලා තියෙනවනේ?
Yes, sir.
අර මෙහෙම තියනවා දැන් මෙහෙම ඉන්නවනේ මෙයා. රයිට්. මෙහෙම ඉන්නවා යාරිද? ඒතර මෙහෙම ඉඳලා මෙන්න මෙහෙමම ඈත් කරනවා ගෙලින්ම. හරිද? දැකලා තියෙනවනේ?
Yes, sir.
එතකොට මේ ඇන්ගල් එක මොකක්ද මේ හැදෙන්නේ? මෙතන.
Straight angle.
ස්ට්‍රේට් ඇන්ගල් ඒක තමයි අහලා තියෙන්නේ. රයිට්. ඒක තමයි අහලා තියෙන්නේ. Straight angle, right. Right, and the answer is straight angle. Right. So අපි මිස් කරේ තාමනත් questions එකේ. Simplest එකත් right. 10th one also. Straight angle. Binudi. Yes, correct. Venuli, obtuse the heading, ne? Is it obtuse angle?
It was
Yes. Right. So do the next one. 10th question. Read and do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Choose the prime numbers and square numbers. Square numbers මතක තියෙන්න ඕනේ. මොනවාද ස්ක්වයර් නම්බර්ස් කියන්නේ කියලා. So write them in separately in the prime. Yes, okay. So you have to name it as this circle as prime numbers. Prime numbers. This circle as square numbers. Square numbers, right? So prime numbers in a sense. එතකොට prime numbers මොනවාද? Out of this box 2 වෙනව නේද? 2 then 3
2, 3, 5, 7.
5 7.
That's
Any other
all.
numbers? No, that's all. Good. Then what are the square numbers?
1, 3,
1 3 එනවද?
1, 4, 9.
1 4
4, 9.
is that all? එච්චරද? 10 එනවද? බොරුත් කියනවා. 1 4 9 10 උත් කියනවා නරෙන් මට එහෙම. මේ 1 right? මෙන්න second square number එක 4. මෙන්න third square number එක 9. Likewise, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 15 and 16 ඔන්න තියෙනවා fourth square number එක. Right? Draw this diagram also. Equation එක තියෙන තැනම ලියා ගන්න. ඒකම. Okay, then let's move on to the part 2, question number 1. Is it okay? මේක හරියද දැන්? Shall we move? අපි යමුද ඊළඟ එකට? මොකද? Okay. Right. ඔන්න මම දුන්න part 2 question number 1. මම මේකේ questions ටික කරන්න ඔයාලට දෙන්නම් 3 minutes then 326 329 වෙද්දි කරන්න ඕන. හරි? ඉක්මනට කරන්න බලන්න හරි. 3 minutes දීලා තියෙනවා. questions තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. දැන් මම මේ time එකක් දුන්නේ මේක කරන්න. හරි? Read the questions and answer the given questions, right? කෙනෙක් ආන්සර් එකක් දාලා තියෙනවා වෙනුලි නේ. Because number 1. වෙනුලි first one චුට්ටක් check කරන්න. second one එකත් චුට්ටක් ආයෙ check කරන්න වෙනවා. මං කිව්වේ decimal point එකේ තියෙන මෙතන. After the first මේ ones place මේ තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මෙතන decimal place එකේ. මේ 1 එකට මෙහා පැත්තේ decimal place එකේ තියෙන්නේ. Now you have to count the zeros means the circles in here and write down the answer. That's it. Right? කො අපි ආමුද කායින් හරි. කවුද කියන්න කැමති?
Sir,
ඔව් වෙනුලි.
I can't see the question
Oh,
because
sorry. අර මේකේ මේ chat එක on කරාම මේක පේන්නේ දිනන එක. හරි.
Sir, can I tell the answers?
For the,
decimal-
which one? For the first
for the
one or the second one?
Second,
Ah,
first,
right. Tell the answer quickly.
for the first abacus, the answer is 42.05. Second one is 3.36.
36. Good. Okay. All right. Our Binnati's answer is like 1.42.05, right? That means the answer for the first one is 42 point. Right. I got it. Right. What about others? Go, Anita. So in here, 10's place again, there are 4 zeros. 1's place again, there are 2 zeros. And in here, the decimal point. There are no circles in here, therefore 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in here, 5. 42.05. What is the answer for this one? 3 circles, so 3.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, Amna.
Sir, මේක grade 7 paper එකේනේ තියෙන්නේ.
No dear. Why? May 6 me? මේකේ mistake එකක් වෙලාද? ඒක මේ part 2 එකේ එතන miss වෙලා තිබ්බට මෙතන මේ topic එක වෙනස් වුණාට lesson එක එකයි. මෙතන 7 කියලා මේ change වෙන්න ඕනේ. Is it okay now? මෙතන grade 6 වෙන්න ඕනේ. That's it, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. මෙතන grade 6 වෙන්න but the questions are related to grade 6. මේ questions ටික තියෙන grade 6 වලට. හරිනේ අම්නා? කො අම්නා නේද? Right? Cool. Right. Any questions, others? මේක okay නේද? මේක අර ඔයාලගේ paper එකේ චුට්ටක් adjust වෙන්න ඕන. එතන මේ grade 7 කියලා තියෙන්නේ 6 කියලා හැදෙන්න ඕන. That's it. ඒ වුණාට paper එකේ beginning එකේ තියෙනවා ඔයාලා grade 6 කියලා. Right? මේ අර අතන චුට්ටක් change එකක් වෙන්න ඕන එච්චරයි. But the questions are related to the grade 6 paper. May all the questions are related to grade 6, right? Right. Okay. So the second question is asking that what is the largest number? 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3.36. Right? So what is the largest number? This one, eh? 42.05. Right? Subtract the smallest number from the larger number. මෙන්න මේක කරලා බලන්න මට ආන්සර් එක third one quickly. Naditi, okay? Quickly, yeah? Time is running so fast. ඉක්මනට කරන්න. Can you subtract it? So I'll give you some help. My help then. 42.05. And this is the largest number. So then the 3.36. normal ඔයාලා subtract කරන විදිහට subtract කරන්න. That's it. Right? Sanuli, correct. Sanuliගේ answer එක හරි. Sanuli වල තියෙන answer එක. Correct. What about the others? Go. Saif. මේ කවුද අර ඉස්සෙල්ලා හිටියේ? මට මතක නෑ. Amna, can you hear me? Amna ඉන්නවද නැද්ද? Right. Quickly find out the answer. You cannot තව එකෙක් ආවා. කවුද? Okay. Tasuni Hyansa. Yes, your answer also correct. 2 answers. I got 2 answers. Others? Go. So may I find the answer? Binudi. Okay, Binudi. Binudi 7 චුට්ටක් ආපහු check කරන්න. මේ ඔතන answer එක හොයලා තියෙන එකේ 38.79 තියෙන්නේ 7 එක චුට්ටක් check කරන්න. 7 එක පාඩම අගහැරලා තියෙනවා. දසත්, yes, correct. Good. So you have to subtract it. මෙච්චරයි. In here, you cannot subtract 5 by 6. So you have to take 1 from this side. මේ පැත්තේ 1 ඒවා තියනවාද? There's no 1 in here. So you have to take another 1 from this side. So in here 10. Again 1 ගත්තාම මෙතන 15, right? Now in here 9, nah? 15 minus 6 means here 9. Then now it's 9 in here. 9 minus 3 means 6. Same decimal place in here. 1 minus 3, you can't divide it. So 11 minus 3 means 8. Now it's in 3. 38.69. That's it. Okay, Binudi, your answer is correct. What me? Okay. Pramudita, then one correct. Dasat Tenula, good. Can call the Lihini. Lihini is right. Lihini, your answer also correct, right? Represent the decimal value in an abacus. Now you have to represent this value in an abacus, right? ඒක නම් ආන්සර් එක chat එකේ දාන්න බෑනේ. Right. ඔයාලට මම ඒක ඇඳලා දෙන්නම් මෙතන. So your answer is now 38.69. 1, 2, 3, 4. In here 1 over 10. In here 1 over 100. 1, 10. Right? There are 8 circles should be in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 3 circles should be in here. 6 circles should be in here. 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This should be your answer. Right? ඒකට ඉතින් chat box එකෙන් බෑ ඒක මම දන්නවා එන්න ඔක ඇඳ ගන්න right මේක පුළුවන් this one I'll give you another 2 minutes send the answers to the chat box right quickly ඔන්න ඔයාලට ඔක්කොම දීලා තියෙන paper එකේ right මේ question එක කරන කට්ටිය මෙතනින් බලන්න මේක මෙයාලා ඇඳ ගන්න අනිත් අය right quickly yeah Okay, I got one answer. Sanuli's answer. Okay, let me check. Right. Two answers. I got two answers. Huh? But answers there kawa. There are 24 participants. I think answers 7 good. Right? 3 answers. Good. Naditi, check your answer again. Na? Naditi ki answer ki chutak check kara Nadi. Check your answer again, Naditi. Okay. Benuri, yes. Any questions? No, ne? Dasat. Yes, Dasat, correct. Others, quickly. Right. The answer should be like this, huh? You have to find the smallest to the largest one. That's it. The answer should be 2.05, comma, 2.1, sorry, 2.3, 2.3, comma, Amna, any questions? 3.09, comma, 3.1. Correct. Naditi, correct. Binudi, correct. Good. Right. These should be the answers for this question. Lihini, good. Lihini, those two answers should be changed. 0.2.05 means godak podi nene. 0.3 is greater than 3.05 in ascending order. So this is the smallest one. Right, Lihini? Harida? Right. You have to change those numbers in both one. 3.1 and 3.909 both also switch, right? So this is the answer. Let's move on to the next one. Number line. දන්නවනේ කට්ටිය. Number line දෙමු. බලන්න. Third one. Come to the third question. The question paper, this one. A line which represents a number line. කවුද කියන්නේ? Benuri, can you read the question? Benuri අර උඩින් හිටියෙනවා. Benuriට පුළුවන් කියන්න. Question එක.
Sir, the third one.
Sorry?
The third question.
Yes, third question.
A line which is used to represent numbers is called a number line.
Number
The
line.
number line is given below.
Okay.
Write down
Right.
two properties of a number line.
Write down two properties means එයාගේ අපි කියන්නේ අර මේ characters කියලා එයාගේ ගැන පොඩ්ඩක් explain කරන්න ඕන. You have to explain this number line in two steps. ඒක lines දෙකකින් පොඩ්ඩක් කියලා පෙන්නන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. පුළුවන්. Tell. Yes.
On the left side, there are negative numbers. On the right, there are positive numbers.
Right. 1 point is valid. Any other answers? කො වෙනුලි විතරනේ කතා කරන්නේ.
Sir,
Oh, Lihini.
in the end of the number line, there is the arrow.
The number line there is මේ දෙන්න අතර gap එක මොකද? yes. මේ දෙන්න අතර gap
Between
එක
two numbers, gaps are equal.
අන්න good. ඒක තමයි අනිත් එක. So the question number A. මේකේ A point එකට අපි ලියමු. Write down. මාත් එක්කම ලියමු, right? The gap between the numbers in the number line should be equal. And the point B, which is known as what? අපේ කවුද වෙනුලි කිව්ව එකනේ. The left side should be negative numbers and right side should be positive numbers, right? Now you have to draw an arrowhead is drawn at the yes, this is also correct. That's good. මේ point එකත් ගන්න පුළුවන් කැමති නම් an arrowhead එකක් තියෙනවා කියන අය, right? කැමති නැහැ එකත් okay. So try to find okay, do the next question. Draw number line and mark these 3 points. දැන් මට නම් number line එකක් තියෙනවා ඔයාලා අඳින්නේ. Draw a number line and mark these points. So -3, 0, 2. Right? Right? මම මේකේ mark කරන්න නේද? -3 is in here. So you have to color this -3, right? Then 0 is in here. Then you have to color this 0th point. And the +2 is in here. This should be your answer. Number line එක කොහොම circle කරලා තියෙනවනම් nice. Next one. Number 4. Rewrite the given numbers in ascending order. මම මේකට දෙන්නම් 2 minutes. මට ඉක්මනට ලියලා answer එක දාන්න chat box එකට, right? Send the answer to the chat box quickly. Answer ඉක්මනට එවන්න. මම විනාඩියක් දෙන්නම්, right? Quickly. Right? බලන්න answer ගෙවන්න ඉක්මනට. මේ ටික ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number to the largest number. බලන්න ඉක්මනට එවන්න. ඉන්න number line right answers දෙයක් ආවා. දසත් your answer is correct. තසුනි correct. Where's others? Aman, Azil. Where's your answer?
Sir,
Lihini. Oh. Amna.
පන්තින්න වෙන්නේ
4ට 4 pm නේද කිව්වා? Yes 4 pm. Right?
සර් මට දැන් පන්තියක් තියෙනවා.
It's okay. You can leave the session but try to me වාගේ recording එක ගන්න. Right?
Okay sir.
Okay. God bless you. Bye. Lihini, your answer is okay, correct? Vinudi, your minus is missing. Vinudi. Minus එක පොඩ්ඩක් එහෙම වෙලා minus එක නැහැ දැන්. ඒ හරි minus එක චුට්ටක් type කරලා නැතුව ඇති. Right? What me correct? Venuli okay. Right. In here ඔයාලා number line එකේ draw කරගන්න. මේ side එකට යන්න values මොකද වෙන්නේ? from left to right, the values will be,
are positive.
yes, increasing. Increasing when left side data. And the next right side, right to left,
Decreasing.
decreasing. Good. Is decreasing. So you can write it down as decreasing. Write down this. Sorry. Decreasing. Naditi, correct? Plus plus දෙකක් දාලා වැඩිපුරත් එක්ක. Come on. Okay. Right. Now try to do the fifth question. ඉවර කට්ටිය fifth එක කරන්න. Right? Go. Fifth one එකට answers. තසුනි කියන්සා දසත්. Correct. ඒ දෙන්නගේ answers හරි. What about the others? Denet Nimsara is in here. නේද? කවුද වෙනුලි? තව කවුද ඉන්නේ මේ? ප්‍රමුදිත, මහවත්ත, සහීෆ්, ඉන්ජලා, අනුක. Okay. Aman Nazil. Yes, your answer is correct. Sanuli, correct. So answers should be like this, ne? හොඳයි. කට්ටිය දානවනේ answers. This sign should be in here and this sign should be in here, right? Okay. මම දෙන notes ලියා ගන්න. You have to write down the notes which I am giving in this screen, right? Right. Good question එකක් තියෙනවා. මෙන්න මේක. Yes, Naditi, correct. Come to the question number 4. Answer the following questions by considering the following numbers. So select the prime numbers and write them. And the square numbers, triangular numbers. I'll give you 3 minutes quickly. For the first question, I'll give you 1 minute. So send me the answers quickly. Prime numbers. I have already taught you. මම දැන් කියලා තියෙන්නේ. කලින්. Prime numbers කිව්වා. දැන් කියන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. මේ list එකේ prime numbers. You have to identify. Prime numbers means only 2 factors. Sorry, දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ. I got 3 answers. Nadisti and Zahif, Vinudi, Dasat. 30. Dasat, okay, correct. Binudi, Sahif and Naditi. One more number should come to your answers. Tawa number එකක් එන්න ඕන ඔයාලගේ answers වලට. There should be one more number. 2, 7, 13 is already done. ඒක හරි. But there's another number. 2, 7, 13. Okay, Mazruk. Marzuk. Another more number should be come. තව එක්කෙනෙක් එන්න ඕනේ. කවුද කියලා බලන්න. No, Sahif. 49 නෙමෙයි. 49 නෙමෙයි. තව බලන්න check කරලා. තව බලන්න check කරලා. 7, 13, 31. 31. Yes, of course, 31. Right? So the prime numbers are what? Right? Prime number should be 2 and මටත් මිස් වෙනවා කියන්නකෝ. 2, 7 correct. 2, 7 and 13 and 31 should be in the prime number set, right? So square numbers. I may write down the square numbers quickly for you, right? Mama earlier then square number set එක. One should be there and 49 should be there. 49 දෙපාරක් තියෙනවා නේ. There are 2 49s in here. කවුරුද දැක්කේ නැද්ද ඒක?
Yeah, I think it's trying to confuse us.
Yeah, I thought it was a printing mistake.
I also confused, right? What about you guys? I also confused. What about 49 දෙකක් තියෙනවා, right? හරි. Then 25, yes, of course, 25 වෙනවා. That's it, Ned. If you have got any other answers, please tell me.
So, 49.
Right, that's it, Neha. Then triangle numbers 1, 3, 3, sorry. 6, and 6 is in here. I taught you, Ned. Mama, ඇඳලා පෙන්නුවේ. Triangle numbers. Amity. Right? So, according to this one, you can find the triangular numbers. 1. Send me the triangular numbers quickly. 55. 21 should be a triangular number, right? 21 in no. 20 is not there. Are there any numbers? Triangular numbers. You got 55 should be there. 51 is not a triangular number. That's it, ne? That's it. Right. Try to answer the part B question. 1, 6, 21. Yes, correct. Naditi, okay. Binudi, Lihini, Saif, okay. Hi. I got two answers. Part B. B, question number 1. What is the first 5 terms of the multiples of 4 greater than 20? Multiples of 4 කියන්න බලන්න. 4 times කියන්න තියෙන්නේ. 4 times 1, 4, 8, 12, 16, then 20, 24, 28, නේද? Then down 32, 36, 40, 44, 46, sorry, 44, 48. ඔය වගේ තියෙන්නේ. So what are the multiples? First 5 terms of multiple greater than 20. 20 වලට වඩා වැඩි කවුද මේ ඉන්නේ? කී දෙනෙක් ඕනද?
28.
අපිට ඕන we need 5 terms. Then these are the answers. මේ තියෙන answers ටික. Okay නේද? ලස්සනයි නේද ටික? Right. ඔන්න තියෙනවා. Write the okay. Saif correct. Dasat okay. Vinudi correct. Tasuni. Good. Right. Number 2. What is the 10th term of the above pattern? 10th term එක නම් එකපාරම කියන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් ඉතින් 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 මේන්නේ 40. 10th term එක පාරම හොයන්නත් පුළුවන් කොහමද? 10 times 4, that's it. You don't need to write the whole multiplication table in here, right? ඔයාලා ඔක්කොම මේක තියනවා ලියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Just multiply 10 by 4. We need to find the 10th term, no? Yes, Saif, correct. 60? 60 කොහෙද මෙතන තියෙන්නේ? දහසක්. 60 මෙතන නැහැ. 40 තියෙන්නේ. හරි නේද දහසක්?
Yes, sir.
Right. Is 45 in this number pattern? 45 කියන එක තියනවාද? Is it 45 in here? No, Saif, correct. Yes. No. No. It is not. Right. So, how's the session? Conversation එක හොඳයිද? Your coordinator is asking me to finish your
It was very good.
session before 2 minutes, right? මම meet him ගත්ත කමන්නේ. Is it good or bad? What about me? තේරුණාද?
Good, sir.
Yes, it's
මොනවාද
good.
මේ කිව්වේ කියලා එන කමන්නේ. Right. Right. Miss Sampa, are you in here? Or?
Yes, I'm here.
Right.
I was watching all the things as previous.
Right.
So these bunch of kids are also so good, right?
Yes, of course. හොඳ හොඳ.
Okay. So I hope all of you got the best out of the session today. You all were also engaging. අයියලා අක්කලා ටික එහෙම කිව්වෝ හින්දාද වන්දා ඊට වඩා හොඳට හිටියා. හරි, very good, very good. Nice job today. So we hope you got the best, and please make use of these when you come to the exam as well, when you face the exam. So now it's time to wrap up today's session. So first of all, I would like to thank Sir Tharun Navidya for giving his generous teaching service to all of us. පුතාලව සමහරුන්ට sir දන්නෙත් නැහැ, but he was so active within the session and gave best to you. And thank you so much, Putalata, plus to parents as well, always supporting these kids to go forward. Right. Okay. So all your support has made this event a successful one. Recordings would be shared after today. All right, Pute, then with that, we will, without taking much time, we'll end up today's session as grade 7 Ayyas and Akkas are waiting for the next session in the lobby. All right, then thank you very much once again. Have a great day. We will see you in the other grade 6 sessions as well. Timetables are shared in the WhatsApp group, so join to the sessions upon that. Thank you very much once again, Satara, and to kids also. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pute.